Hello guys, welcome back to TechFlow Tutorials where we simplify tech and creativity. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to zoom in Premiere Pro in just a few seconds. So let's dive into it. Before we begin, we need to have three basic requirements: the video, Premiere Pro, and Essential Motion preset, which is free of cost. You can download this preset from the Gumroad website. I will provide the download link in the description. Coming back onto the topic, first drag the video on the timeline on which you have to zoom in. Then move the marker to the point you want the zoom to begin and make a cut there. Then move the marker again and stop at the point you want to zoom out. Then go to the selection tool, or you can activate by pressing V on the keyboard and select the clip. Then go to the Effects tab. If it is not showing in your Premiere Pro, then go to the Windows tab and click Effects option from here. And then out of the zoom options, select one. For example, I choose this fast zoom in and then drag it and drop it on the selected clip. You can recheck it again if it is working. And there you have it. In this way, you can save hours of your time, which you would have probably wasted in just making the keyframes in the effects control panel. If you have found this video helpful, do like the video and do comment on which topic you want me to make the video next time. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.